Hello guys, welcome again. My name is Rajesh and you are watching 5th day tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. And today we are going to cover up conditional formatting and data filter. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply formatting such as colors, icons and data bars to one or more cells based on the value. It quickly highlights important information in a spreadsheet. We will see some practical examples to see how exactly it works. Let's have a look here. Here you can see this is the data related to sales department or maybe the data of stockkeeper. This data overall have some basic columns such as order details, sales, profit margin, name of the customer, shipping, order date, delivery date and so on. Now let's apply the conditional formatting to this profit column. Let's change the color of all the negative values in this column. To do this, select all the values. Just click on conditional formatting, then click on less than, write 0 here and press OK. Now you can see all the values that are less than 0, that is which are negative, they becomes red in color. There are so many functions available here. You can try them one by one according to your need. Now let's highlight all the values whose order priority is critical. Now again, select all the values from top to bottom and go to conditional formatting and click text that contains and write the text you want to select or simply click it. Now press OK. So in this column you can see the critical value is selected. Also you can select the values in range. Let's suppose you want to select the value order quantity column which is greater than 20 but less than 30. Now again you will go to conditional formatting and click on between, write the values and click OK. There you go. Alright. Now we are going to do something special here. You can see in this column there should be 1 for profit, 0 for loss. Okay, let's write the formula because we already know the formula. Equal to if the profit is greater than or equal to 0. If the profit is greater than or equal to 0, then there should be profit and there should be 1 for the profit. Otherwise 0. Press enter, 0 because this is negative. Now double click this and you can see 1 for profit and 0 for loss. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change these numbers into original values. This is not a numerical value because it contains formula. You can see the formula here. Okay, and our conditional formatting will not work on the formula. So what we will do, we will select this all till here and we will copy it. Now we will paste special. You can see paste special. Click here and select the values. Click OK. Now you can see there is no more formula in the formula bar and these numbers will still not work. So we will going to select them once again and click this yellow icon, convert to number. Now it is purely the number. Now we are going to select all those things. Click on conditional formatting, go to icon set, click this icon. Now you can see if it is 1 there is right and for 0 there is cross. Now let's hide these 0 ones. How to hide? Select all those, go to conditional formatting, go to icon set, more rules and show icon only. Here you can see show icon only. Okay, and click here. You can see the options again. Okay, let's click here, press OK. All the 0 and 1 are eliminated. Similarly, you can use other icons also. Here are plenty of icon sets. Okay, you can use any of them. Similarly, if you want to see if there is any duplicate value in your data, then what you can do is that you can just select any column in which you want to see the duplicate value, go to conditional formatting and highlight cell, then go to duplicate values. Now you can see the duplicate values here. And last but not least, if you want to remove all those formattings from your Excel sheet, what you can do is that you can just click here and clear rules from entire sheet or from selected cells, from entire sheet. Okay. Now let's go to this function, format as table. Here you can have different designs of table and you can apply these design into your worksheet. Let's see how it works. I select this whole table. Just go to format as table. Select which design you want. Let's suppose my table has headers. Yeah, headers. Okay, now it's so beautiful. You can filter your data from here as well. If you want to remove this filter button, just click here and it will be removed. Now here is one more function, cell style. You can have so many cell styles over here. Let's suppose you select this top row and click here and do this. Now it becomes bigger. Let's suppose if you want to change something here, select it and go here and do whatever you like. So this is such an awesome thing in Excel. Now let's go to our next section, that is data filter. Here within data tab you can find filter. With the help of filter you can apply some conditions or you can select your desired data. Before using filter, I want to freeze this whole row. I will just go to view and go to freeze panes and freeze top row. So if I go down, this top row is always with me. And now let's suppose I want to see only those values which have high priority. I will just click here and I will not select all, but I will select only high. Press OK. Now you can see all the values with high priority. In the similar way, you can filter anything you like. Let's suppose you only want to see the value which are of profit. Okay, so just click here, number filters, greater than or equal to, 0. Okay, so now you can see only the values that are of profit. Okay. And lastly, if you press this filter again, then everything goes to normal. Click filter. Now everything goes to normal. Profit is also here, loss is also here. Okay, now again let's suppose we want two conditions. Order priority should be high and profit should be positive. Okay, now let's use the filter here. Click on the filter. Order priority should be high. Okay, profit should be positive. For positive, what we can do, we can just select one from here. That's it. Or we can just select number filters greater than or equal to 0. Same thing as this. Okay. So now we have the value with high priority and positive profit. Now again, if you click filter, this whole thing will be in normal stage. Now let's do one bonus thing for today. Here we have shipping days. It is not yet calculated. Now here we can see order date is this and shipping date is here. We want to calculate the shipping days. How much days it takes for shipping. We will just subtract the order date from ship date equal to ship date minus order date. Let's see where the order date is. Here it is. Now we will press enter. If we subtract one date from another, this is the format. But we want to change this format into number. What we will do, we will select this all. Now we will go to home, go to number and just remove the decimals. Okay, in this way you will get to know how many days it takes for shipping. So I hope that you understood something from here. Keep practicing on this thing, conditional formatting. Here are so many options. You can go through them one by one and you will get to know everything. And if you have any confusion about anything regarding conditional formatting or data filter, just let me know in the comments. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.